Hey, it's Jack here. Today we're in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're at the Forum Shops at Caesars because it's that time. Yes, it's time to replace that watch battery. Reason why we're here is to go to the watch shop where I originally purchased the watch that got lifetime watch battery replacement. Figure what a better time to check out the Forum Shop. It's been 2 years since I've been here. The last time I was here was just after the global lockdown and things were just starting to open back up. To go inside, check out the Forum Shops here at Caesars. Have you come along with me? See what it's all about now. Well, several years ago, this used to be the entrance to the Caesars Forum Shop. There was a long expressway that would take you into the Forum Shops. Let me know in the comments if you remember going in through the Forum Shops like this. We come on inside the Forum Shops. Current hours are 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Sunday through Thursday, and Friday and Saturday are 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. They've got the map of the whole mall. If you're looking for a particular store, somebody's programmed this in already with the store they were looking for, but you can visit your stores by name. And let's say we wanted to go to the Apple store. All we have to do is click on the Apple, and then we touch the button, and we can see this is our starting location. It tells us to take the escalator up, take the escalator down, and follow the arrows all the way to the Apple store. Well, the last time I was here, these bench seats were roped off. You couldn't sit on them, but they're open now. And what's real nice about their bench seats here is they do have a plug-in charger for your phone. And we go up the stairs here. They've got a very unique escalator here in the middle, and that escalator circles all the way around. Escalator we go. This is a rather unique escalator, like I showed earlier. It goes up and around. As we go up, we can see the statuary on the sides and also the decorative ceiling. And there's Caesar way up there saying hello to everybody. And we continue our journey to the level we need to go to, which is the third level of the place. And we can see the decorative ceiling, and looking out that way takes us out to the Las Vegas Strip. Right across the road is Harrah's Casino and Hotel. Coming off the escalator, we see their shops here. We got Magnet Maximus, which is a magnet shop. There's a wide variety of stores here. There's high-end stores, middle-end stores, but nothing really low class here at Caesars. We take this escalator down, which will put us right into the Forum Shops. What's neat about the Forum Shops is this ceiling that constantly is changing, goes from daytime to nighttime, and all the way down there we can see the same. Neptune's fountain here. There's Neptune and his fountain. The last time I was here, this shop was closed, called Kimosabi. It says, well, come on in. It is a Western wear shop. Anything for your Western wear. If you need a hat, boots, gloves, they're gonna probably have it here. They have some turquoise jewelry up front here. And here's some Southwest looking sneakers. Currently 60% off. They have boots for the ladies. And on the opposite wall, they have boots for the gentlemen. They got a wide assortment of hats available. Now think if you're in market for a cowboy hat and you don't find it here, you're probably not going to find it anywhere else. To go with your hat are these hat bands. And there are some hat brand accessories. If you're in the market for a belt buckle or two, they've got those also. Up on the walls are some artwork. If you're in the market for a trucker baseball hat, they have their own brand here called Kimosabi. And for the ladies, they have a similar design, except in pink. Well, it's good to see that the Harley-Davidson store is still here, up and running. T-shirts, Harley-Davidson apparel. This is your spot to get it. Their t-shirt wall is aplenty with design. You're more into the blingy Harley-Davidson. That means the t-shirts with a little flare and sequence to them. They have those here too on the opposite wall of the t-shirts. We can see how that one shines and glimmers in the light. If you like the long sleeve t-shirts, they have those along the back over here. They got the collector pins and patches, and there's also some keychains here. And for your motorcycle, they do have the supply of ride bells. And if you're in the market for some Las Vegas Harley-Davidson Nevada water, they have the assortment of Las Vegas Harley-Davidson Nevada water. Well, I was told that the pandemic was going to take down Victoria's Secret, but if this store is any indication, it is open and doing well. Well, here's something that wasn't here 2 years ago. It's called Odyssey VR, which stands for virtual reality. They've got a whole assortment of virtual reality games right inside. If cigars are your thing, they have a Casa Fuente cigar bar, no one under 21 permitted. Well, this area brings back memories of 2 years ago. This bench that these folks are getting up from right here that's lighted up that looks like marble or some sort of stone was completely closed, and therefore you couldn't sit on it, but now people are able to sit on that bench. It's pretty neat how that bench lights up right there as illuminated from inside. And we can see from the sky, or the faux sky, looks like the sun is setting or just beginning to rise over Caesar's Forums. I'm not familiar with the brand called Psycho Bunny, but that bunny sure gets your attention. And there's quite a few shops here that are more on the high-end shop. Down this way. These are the shops I call window shopping shops because I can't afford anything inside the shop anyway. And here we are at the Fountain of the Gods. And down this way from the fountain, there are more shops and more shops. Come to this big open area. Up here is the animatronics show. Looks like it's already running. It is packed in there. That was a Fall of Atlanta show here at the Caesars Forums. Kind of got in the middle near the end of it. It's quite busy here to get into the show, but showed you a little bit of what the show's about. The fire that comes up, I was kind of standing near the middle to the back of the forum, and there's a lot of heat generating off that fire. If you're ever out here at the Caesars Forums, it's worth checking out. It's a few-minute show. It just runs through. They've got some projections up on the wall there, the animatronics. Last time I was here, this wasn't running because the world was just opening back up. There are 3 aquariums that are free to look at here in Las Vegas. One's at the Mirage behind the counter. The other one's right here behind me at the Caesars Forums. And the last one's up the road at the Silverton Hotel. They have a mermaid show that runs at that one on the weekends. And this is one of the 3 free aquariums here in Las Vegas. You just walk around. They've got some shark in there, other sorts of fish. And between the shows, the projections are like you're in a giant aquarium. We look up, it looks just like Clouds are up in the sky. If you're an NFL fan, this shop is for you. NFL Las Vegas, presented by Visa. And they've got all sorts of NFL apparel inside the shop. I don't know what the special occasion here is at this store, Urban Necessities, but they've got a line. But whatever's going on in there must be something special, because all these people are waiting. Here's something rather unique. Do your feet hurt? They have a vending machine. Roll-a-sole shoes. Let's see what they're all about. Just roll them out, put your foot in, and away you go. All right, there they are. Well, after that walk around, it's time to go down the escalator. Sure. And we go down one more, and we're back to the ground level. Well, the watch battery's been replaced. We should be good for another couple years. Well, I figured this would be a great place to end the video, right out in front of the infamous fountain that Evel Knievel jumped. The fountain's about a quarter-mile walk from the Forum shops and very well worth coming down here. You can also go through the casino where it's air-conditioned and get out here to the fountain. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.